Checklist to become web designer. Know HTML and CSS. These are the basic building blocks of the web and are essential for creating and styling web pages. Proficiency in design software. Tools like Adobe Photoshop or Figma can help you create mock-up and prototype of your website design. Learn responsive design. Responsive design involves creating a website that works well on a variety of devices, such as desktop computer, tablets, and smartphone. Learn user experience. UX design involves creating websites that are easy to use and navigate, and that provide a positive experience for user. Knowledge of web accessibility. Web designers should know the rules and standards for web accessibility to make sure that website can be used by people with disability. Creativity and problem-solving skill. Web designers should have a creative eye and be able to think outside the box to find a way to solve design problems. Communication skill. Web designers should have strong communication skill to be able to effectively collaborate with client, stakeholder, and team member. Professional experience. To become a master web designer, you will need to gain professional experience by working on a variety of web design projects and continually improving your skill. Follow me to know more about design, product, and business.